In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add breadcrumbs in Elementor. Breadcrumbs are those small navigation links that show users where they are on your site, like home or blog article. They make it easier to move around, reduce bounce rates, and can even help search engines understand your site's structure. We'll keep this simple and reliable by using Yoast SEO with a quick shortcode inside Elementor. First, let's install the plugin that powers the breadcrumbs. From your WordPress dashboard, open the Plugins menu and choose Add New. In the search bar, type Yoast SEO. When you see it, click Install, then Activate. After activation, you should notice a new SEO item in your left-hand menu. If you're using a different SEO plugin, that's fine, but this tutorial uses Yoast because it provides a clean shortcode that works perfectly with Elementor. Next, enable the breadcrumb feature in Yoast. In your WordPress sidebar, click SEO, then go to Settings, and find the breadcrumbs section. Turn breadcrumbs on. While you're there, you can glance at the options to customize things like the separator character, but you don't have to change anything right now. The important part is that the toggle is on, so the shortcode has something to display. Now let's place the breadcrumbs on your page with Elementor. Open the page or template where you want them to appear by clicking Edit with Elementor. Think about placement for a moment. A common, user-friendly spot is just under the header and above the page or post title. In the Elementor panel, search for the shortcode widget, then drag and drop it into that spot on your layout. In the shortcode field, paste this exactly, WPSEO breadcrumb. As soon as you do, you should see the breadcrumb trail appear in the preview. If it doesn't show right away, don't worry. Some previews require a quick page refresh. When you're happy with the placement, click Update to save your changes and preview the page on the front end. If you're not seeing anything, double-check that breadcrumbs are turned on in Yoast's settings. Also, make sure your theme isn't already outputting its own breadcrumbs, since duplicates can look cluttered. For styling, the shortcode inherits your theme's typography. You can control spacing and alignment using the container or section settings around the shortcode widget. That's it. Clean, crawlable breadcrumbs in Elementor with just a plugin toggle and a shortcode. Thanks for watching and enjoy the smoother navigation on your site.